Hey Copilot, can you do a towards revenues analysis and tell me which year was the most profitable?
Hey guys, Piggy Bank Accountant here. I'm a CPA, and today we're going to talk about Microsoft Copilot, which is the new AI tool from Microsoft that will work with every Microsoft 365 apps, including Excel, Microsoft Teams, Word, Outlook, all of them, in order to have assisted AI tool integrated in this app. So basically, you can define it, mix ChatGPT with your favorite Microsoft Office app. We're gonna go through some use case and a lot of stuff to talk about on how it's gonna replace some office jobs or just assist you in your general day-to-day tasks.
With the recent burst of AI tools such as ChatGPT, Midjourney, or GitHub Copilot, Microsoft had to come up with something to speed up efficiency and productivity. So that's why they announced Copilot through their Office 365 apps. So basically, Copilot is like Clippy, but way more useful. Copilot will be able to draft emails for you, prepare a PowerPoint in no time, or make Excel analysis for you, or should I say, with you. Hence the name Copilot. It's designed, as Microsoft said, designed to remove the drudgery of the daily tasks. You get back to work after vacation, you are in a Microsoft Teams group conversation, there are 300 messages. You can ask Copilot to summarize what happened during those 300 messages and save some time by not reading everything. Since this whole channel is mainly about Excel, Microsoft advertises that people only uses 10% of Excel, and I'm pretty sure this is true, to be honest. It makes sense, and look how many tabs and how many functions there is up there on Excel. It's impossible that you know all of them. So Copilot is going to help you unlock that other 90%. And here are some examples of what I'm going to use Copilot for. First, I will ask Copilot to make pivot table and bring the trends out of it so I can show it to my executive team and to the CFO. It's gonna help me structure my data in a better way if I just ask him. You can ask Copilot which formula to use for a specific use case. Could you give me a formula to calculate how many cars from the last 5 years I've gotten 90% security check, by example? You could make some great looking graph. Ask Copilot, can you make a dashboard? Can you make a board deck based on these specific graph in this specific tab? So it's gonna save us a lot of time of manual data entry, and all of this will be automated. Basically, I see Copilot exactly as ChatGPT, but integrated in Excel. And since I saw how ChatGPT can be really amazing, then I have no doubt that it's gonna help us a lot in our day-to-day tasks.
If you really like this video, make sure you gain some more productivity and click here. In this video, you are gonna learn some shortcuts to go faster in Excel and to impress your boss.